Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 16th shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram and also learn its meaning. First, let us see it word by word. Swamin Bhavat Dhyana Sudha Bhishekat Vahanti Dhanyaha Pulakanu Bandam Alakshite Kwapi Nirudhamulam Angeshvivananda Thumankurantam Swamin Bhavathyana Sudhabhishekat Swamin Bhavathyana Sudhabhishekat Vahanti Dhanyaha Pulakanubandam Vahanti Dhanyaha Pulakanubandam Alakshite Kwapi Nirudhamulam Alakshite Kwapi Nirudhamulam Angeshvivananda Thumankurantam Angeshvivananda Thumankurantam Swamin Bhavathyana Sudhabhishekat Vahanti Dhanya Pulakanubandam Alakshite Kwapi Nirudhamulam Angeshvivananda Thumankurantam. Let us see the meaning of this verse. Here, Swami Vedanta Desikar describes the emotions of a bhakta who is completely immersed in the Lord. He says, Hey Swami, Bhavadhyana Sudhabhishekat Dhanyaha, those fortunate ones who are immersed in your dhyana constantly, being drenched in the nectar of knowledge. Pulakanubandam Vahanti, experience great happiness. Kwapi Alakshite Nirudhamulam Angeshvivananda Thumankurantam. Their horripilations make us believe that their hair is standing on end, but it is their extreme happiness that is causing this reaction from them due to the bhakti firmly rooted in their hearts. The two sattvic signs of a bhakta being overcome by immersion in the divine are tears and horripilations or goosebumps. May we thus pray to Swami Hayagriva that he causes our eyes to bedew with tears of devotion as we meditate on him. Shri Hayagrivam Upasmahe.